Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn how to use Chinese in daily life. Firstly, please think about a scenario when you wake up in the morning and you want to say good morning to others. That is 早上好 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 早上好. Good. When you want to go to sleep at night and you have to say good evening to others, you're going to say 晚上好 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 晚上好. Nice job. And when you want to say sorry to others, you're going to say 对不起. Please repeat after me. 对不起. When you want to say hello to others, that is 你好 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 你好. When you want to say goodbye or bye-bye to others, you have to say 再见 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 再见. Good job, boys and girls. When you want to say thank you to others, that is 谢谢 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 谢谢. Very nice. When you want to call your daddy, you have to say 爸爸. Please repeat after me. 爸爸. And when you want to call your mom, that is 妈妈 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 妈妈. Nice job, boys and girls. And how to say different days in a week. So firstly, Monday. Monday is 星期一 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 星期一. Tuesday is 星期二. Please repeat after me. 星期二. Nice. Wednesday is 星期三 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 星期三. Nice job. Thursday is 星期四 in Chinese. So please repeat after me. 星期四. Nice. Friday is 星期五. Please repeat after me. 星期五. Good. Saturday. Happy Saturday. Saturday is 星期六 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 星期六. Nice. Sunday is 星期日 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 星期日. Very nice job. When you want to say nice to meet you to others when you meet a new friend, you're gonna say 很高兴认识你 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 很高兴认识你. Good. When you want to ask others' names, you have to ask them 你叫什么名字? Please repeat after me. 你叫什么名字? Nice. When you want to introduce yourself to others, you have to say, my name is blah blah blah. So that is 我的名字是. Please repeat after me. 我的名字是. Okay, for example, if I want to say my name is Georgia, that is 我的名字是 Georgia in Chinese. Okay? Oh, when you want to say happy birthday to others, you have to say 祝你生日快乐 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 祝你生日快乐. So next time when you want to say happy birthday to your Chinese friend, you're going to say 祝你生日快乐 to them. And New Year's coming soon, so when you want to say Happy New Year to others, that's going to be 新年快乐. Please repeat after me. 新年快乐. Nice. Good job, boys and girls. And when you want to greeting, you have to say 你好吗 in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 你好吗? Okay, really nice job. Thank you.